Miss Me, I feel like something's missing. Not the vibe, but something. 要 cheat.
You didn't fasten your seatbelt. Seatbelt, 安全带，安全带。That's a tense neck fine.
安全带. Put that seatbelt in Chinese. It sounds like something powerful, like armor.
Exactly. It's the super strap that saves your fluffy life.
I want 3. 1 for each mood. Fasten sadness, buckle anxiety, snapping joy.
Let's start with 1. Properly.
安全带. Seatbelt.
Did you buckle up? Leave a comment. 我准备出发啦 And don't forget to tap the like button so 小黑 doesn't fly out of the window.